We race through the daily life of an ultra-rich entrepreneur, from roaring exotics to velvet morning rituals. A signature fleet glides to meetings, while early workouts and curated breakfasts set a high tempo for the day. Spending habits emphasize asset accumulation and experiential value, with disciplined budgeting and investments looping back to preserve cash flow. Quick wealth management tips include diversified portfolios, automated savings, and tax-efficient planning, all while leveraging luxury to accelerate opportunities. The mindset rests on relentless discipline, insatiable curiosity, and a long-term focus that converts ambition into sustainable abundance.